Hello friends, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for It's Panning Cats and Dogs, so stay tuned. Alright, It's Panning Cats and Dogs is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. It was created by Deb B on YouTube and Dannie at Dannie's Makeup. It is a rolling style project that you can use any way you want. There are 30 prompts and it's all about cats and dogs and pets and all the things that go along with them. This project started on October 22nd and goes until October 22nd, and that is National Make a Dog's Day. So I am doing this rolling style roulette, bringing things in, using them, getting them out, and what have you. It's becoming a mess on my paper, let me tell you. Anyway, let's talk about what I was working on, what I can roll out, and what I'm bringing in. The first product on my list is for prompt number 3, Beagle, a scent hound, and that is a scented item. So for that I brought in my Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 hair primer because it smells gorgeous. My goal was to use this 5 times, and at the last update I had used it 3, and this month I've used it twice. That's up to 5. I did use it today to help tame my frizz a little bit because I washed my hair yesterday and put it up and then went outside and, anyway, it frizzes and flies away. So this is a Gourmet and it is rolling out. Although I might bring it back in. I haven't decided yet. The next prompt I'm working on is on the next sheet. Nope. Yes. I finished that page. Okay. Well, for now. The next prompt I have that I'm working on is for ID tags, and that is a product that starts with the first letter of your name. So I brought in my Marvy Corn palette because that starts with the letter M, which my name does start with, but I also brought in the shade Moana, this one right here, which also starts with the first letter of my name. My goal is to use it 16 times because it is prompt number 16. And so far I've used it 3 since the last update. And since the last update I haven't used it at all. I feel like I have, but maybe I forgot to mark it. I find I've been doing that. But still have 13 uses left to go. It's a beautiful shade. I love it. This is probably the first shade I hit pan in this. So we're going to keep on trucking on it and keep working on it. Yeah. The next prompt I'm working on, I didn't use it all, so I'll tell you what it was. But I don't have any progress because I haven't used it. It is for the prompt litter box number 18, an item you wish a cat would bury in the litter box. And for that I brought in, it's right here, I'll show you, my Soap and Glory Travel Size Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. Because it has little, I talked about this last month, it has little beads in it for no reason whatsoever. I have used it. It was my travel face wash, but then I got another sample that I'm using for 50 Shades of Yellow Gold, which ends before this project. So once that's done, I will continue working on this, but since then I have not used it, and that is prompt 18, and I have it in for 18 uses. The next prompt is for prompt number 20. I'm telling you the prompt numbers because there is relation, and that is for the prompt poop bags. Something that you run out of at the worst time, and I find that would be deodorant. Don't you hate it when you go to put deodorant on and it's all gone? Or like that little sliver that's left falls out or crumbles or whatever. Anyway, I brought in this deodorant from Pacifica. It is in coconut. It is their clean deodorant, fermented odor fighter. And it has a little twist top and then a little thing. And I found out the other day, didn't know didn't know this, but in case you didn't, it's refillable. Yeah. Apparently you can take it out and get a refill. We'll see about that. I don't know if they still do it. It smells like coconut. It's fine. I like it. I enjoy it. Anyway, my goal is to use it 20 times because it's prompt 20, and so far I've used it 16. I would have used it more, but I leave it at home. I don't take it with me traveling because I have a travel deodorant and I'm trying to use it. But that one would be nice for traveling because of the twist-on lid. Anyway, I still have 4 more uses to go. I'm in a talkative mood. The next prompt is prompt number 26, service or emotional support animal, and that is a product that never lets you down. I brought in a bronzer because it never lets me down. This is from Complex Culture. It is just a Zolox sample size that I got from Ipsy. It is their Sun Bath Baked Bronzer in the shade Clay. I discovered, I'm wearing it today, and I discovered this morning that I can see waffle pan in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, right in the center there, I can start to see waffle. And I didn't think I was making any progress on this. I mean, I can see there is a dip, but I didn't realize. Yeah, it's quite a shallow product. Anyway, exciting. My goal was to use it 26 times, and I used it 27, because today was use number 27. Because I didn't realize I'd already met my goal. And I used it anyway. So this is rolling out. Actually, it was only 25. That's prompt number 25, not 26. But I've still used it. I've used it 26 times. I'm going to put that over there. Going back. Rolling out. The next prompt is prompt number 26. And that is for Sharpay. Something that fights wrinkles. I brought in my Inky List retinol serum. I didn't mark this. 1 second. Okay. I don't think I marked it previously because I'm counting uses, but I was curious to see how much was in there. Anyway, so this I have in for 26 uses because it is prompt number 26. And so far I have used it 17 times, and it was brand new when I brought it in, and now we're down to here. But it is the fattest part of the bottle, so it'll probably be here for a while to finish it. But that is where we are. I don't know where I started because I didn't mark it, like I said. Anyway, but that has 9 more uses to go. The next prompt is prompt number 27, and that is for Maltese Shih Tzu Maltese. I was going to say it, I said it backwards. That's okay. It is a small product with big impact. And for that, I brought in, there it is right in front of me, my eyeliner. This is from LA Colors, their eyeliner pencil in the shade Turquoise. And that is what it looks like. I haven't swatched anything. Did I have anything to swatch? No, I don't think so. It's been skincare mostly. And that is what it looks like. It is a beautiful turquoise color. My goal is to use it 13 times because that's half of 26, which is close to 27. 13 times, and so far I've used it twice. I mean, I just brought it in last month, so not a big deal, and I'm trying to get uses on another eyeliner that is in a project that before this. Anyway, I have 11 more uses to go with that eyeliner. And finally, nope, not finally, next is prompt 28, which is St. Bernard, something that rescues your look. And for that, I brought in my NYX HD finishing powder because if something needs blending out, or if I get shiny or set my eye primer, I use this. And this is what it's looking like. It is not very much. It is hard to see because it's a metal pan and white product, but there you go. There's not much left. My goal was to use it 28 times, and I used it 28 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yep, 28 times. Probably more than that, but that's when I stopped counting it. So that is a goal map and rolling out. And then finally, the last prompt I was working on was for prompt number 28, which is treats, and something you purchase to treat yourself. For that, I brought in this Mix Bar Vanilla Bourbon hair and body mist because I like it. And my goal is to use it 15 times because that's half of 30, which is close to 29. You know, we gotta make compromises sometimes. Anyway, I have used it 3 times. I feel like I've used it more, but that's all the times I've marked. So I am wearing it right now. It smells delicious. And yeah, gonna keep working on it. So what am I rolling in? I am bringing in 2 prompts for sure, maybe 3. The first prompt I'm bringing in is for harness, a product you have to stop yourself from using because you love it so much. I just got done filming my deck of panning, and I talked about how I had to stop myself from using this product because I really liked it a lot. So I thought, perfect product to bring in for this prompt. So I'm bringing it in because I finished it in that project. Anyway, it is the So Pouty Lip Gloss Balm from Wet n Wild. This is in Coconuts for You. It is just a clear white balm, and there is what is left. So about that much of it is product, and then the rest is packaging. My goal is to finish it. This is a really nice balmy lip gloss product, glossy lip balm product. I enjoy it very much, and I want to buy more. So I'm bringing this in to finish, and that's that. And then the next one I forgot to mark, and now I can't find it on my list. There it is. Okay. Is for Pug, because pugs are cute, and that is a product with cute packaging. So I am bringing in what I think is cute, is this teeny tiny little bust from Eilish. And this is Eilish number 1, and it's a perfume. And I'm bringing in for 13 uses because 13 is half of 22. It would be 11. 11 uses. Change that. I don't know why I put 13. It's not half of 22, but 11 uses for this little guy here. And I really enjoy that perfume. And yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So next, lastly, I'm bringing in Long-Haired Cat, and that prompt is your favorite hair product. And I am going to bring it back in my Eva NYC Main Magic because I really enjoy it and I want to finish it. I have a lot of hair products. I really enjoy using this one, but I have a lot of hair products and I need to get rid of some of them. So I have other products that do the same thing as this. So we're going to bring this in, and that is prompt 19. So we're going to bring it in for 10 more uses, or 10 uses, because, you know, that's the way I do it. So yeah, that or finish it. We'll see. If I use it 10 more times and I feel like there's just a little bit left, then we will keep going for finish. But I feel like there's not much left in here. I feel like there's maybe a third to a quarter of the bottle left, so it's probably down here. Yeah, I'll give it 10 uses and see how it goes. So if you enjoyed all this rambling mess and stuff and hijinks and rambles, then hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, why not? Come on, do it. Just do it. Peer pressure. Hit the subscribe button, please. It means a lot to me. It makes me happy. And until my next video, take care of yourselves. Stay true to you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Where's my mouse?